Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's quick video, I'll show you how to open an Amazon seller account from scratch, step by step. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for over 25 years and I'm the creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. For this demonstration, I'll open an Amazon account in Australia. However, opening an Amazon account in other countries is a very similar process. From the Amazon homepage, mouse over where it says sign in on the top right corner until you see new customer start here. Next, click where it says start here. Now enter your name, email address and password. However, note that you need to enter your password twice to make sure it's correct without any typos. Once you've entered those details, click the verify email button and you should see a page like this one. That's it, well done. You successfully opened an Amazon account. This account will allow you to purchase items from Amazon, but not sell items on Amazon. If you also want to sell items on Amazon, you need to open an Amazon Seller Central account. To open an Amazon Seller Central account, Google Amazon Seller Central to find the Amazon Seller URL or link for your country. And I'll also put links to Amazon Seller Central at the end of this video. When you go to Seller Central, you should see a page like this saying you don't have access yet. Next step is to click the register button. Every country has different fees to become an Amazon seller. In Australia, as an example, you have a choice of joining as an individual seller where you pay 99 cents for every item that you sell, excluding GST and additional selling fees, or you can join as a professional seller and pay $49.95, excluding GST plus additional selling fees. But if you're just starting out, I would recommend you just start with individual seller account, as you can upgrade later to a professional account when you're ready. I'll also put a link at the end of the video for Amazon pricing. The next step is to click one of the sign up buttons. Then enter your name, address, phone number, etc. And note that sometimes it can take up to 1 week for Amazon to approve your account. And/or they may email you asking you for more information. This is quite normal. Once Amazon approves your account, you'll receive an email saying that your Amazon Seller Central account is approved. If you also want to know how to find profitable items to sell on Amazon, make sure you watch this video up here and I'll put a link at the end of this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.